Hey, Gary here with 30-Minute Marketing. Let's take a look at how to create bonuses for affiliate marketing and do it with a simple marketing tool, ProductDyno. We're going to use WarriorPlus as the example marketplace. And in this example, we found a cool product here by yours truly, Gary Baker. It is called Plus Vendor. And the only reason you need to know that is when you find a product to promote and you're going to create bonuses, you want to make sure that your bonuses are congruent, and then you want a good way to deliver those bonuses. A simple marketing tool, a secure way, for example, here inside of WarriorPlus, once you find the product, in this case Plus Vendor, and you want to add your link, buyer bonus URL here under the product inside of WarriorPlus, where WarriorPlus will deliver that bonus. We're simply going to add a ProductDyno link to a product that has both a perceived and a real world value. As you can see here, this is the login page to the product that I'm using as an example that I have created inside of ProductDyno. And when you log in, you'll have access to a product here, the Newbie's Guide to Internet Marketing, No More 9 to 5 ebook, as well as there are going to be links to the other products where those products can be purchased. Again, you're providing this as a bonus. This is a product inside of a collection, and I'm going to show you that here inside of ProductDyno, both products and collections and how they work together to create a secure members area that's a bonus. Of course, this is a real product with a real sales page, and here I am providing this on WarriorPlus, and you can simply provide a coupon code to give this away for free and allow people access to that product inside of the collection, where you have the potential to give away the bonus and then have them upgrade to access the other products. Again, this is how you're going to be able to make more money using a simple marketing tool like ProductDyno by giving away a bonus inside WarriorPlus under link settings, where you can add your buyer bonus URL, which again will all be set up inside of ProductDyno, in this case under the Newbie's Guide to Internet Marketing collection. You have your domain and your access. This is the URL you'll be giving away. Here you can see you have different options. Paid access, just like it says, your audience will have to pay for this content. That is while you'll be giving a coupon code away so they can access it via the sales page. Or you can set this to public access or to free access, and you can get each one of these URLs here. So then you simply copy that URL, take that back over to your WarriorPlus account, and simply add in that buyer bonus URL. In this case, we're sending them directly to the login page. And in this case, that would be the free option inside of ProductDyno. Or you could send them to the sales page with a coupon code, and then they could get this for free and make a purchase through WarriorPlus. Of course, we'll cover more of that, and I actually have a video here on the channel. You can check those out. A series of videos on WarriorPlus and how to use coupon codes, as well as add your bonus link for providing and making more money as an affiliate using a product, a simple marketing tool like ProductDyno. But in this case, let's look at some bonus ideas. Let's talk about what we can create: a report, we can create a video, or we can combine both of these and turn it into done for you content, or make it PLR and give a PLR license so people can use the video and the report as their own content. Again, these are just bonus ideas, but we're taking that back to using ProductDyno as a way to deliver this bonus, again, to provide both real and perceived value inside a nifty little members area like this, where we've given away the Newbie's Guide to Internet Marketing, No More 9 to 5, and the option to upgrade to get access to the videos, Affiliate Marketing 101 and 102. And if you actually take a look inside of the Newbie's Guide to Internet Marketing, No More 9 to 5, you can see that I have given away a PDF, and you can see that PDF is embedded here inside of the members area. So you can write up that PDF, write up some valuable information, and then give that away and embed it here inside of the secure members area. And then also I provided an additional bonus to the bonus, which again provides more perceived value. In this case, I've given away a checklist, which a checklist is just a subset of a report. It's just something that you simply make really quickly. As you can see here, pop into Google Docs, write up a report, create a checklist, and then simply just file, download, and download that as a PDF. So that takes care of the report. Simply just create a report in Google Docs and then save it as a PDF and embed it inside of ProductDyno. Or you have the option to create a video. A cool way to create a video or a cool tool that I use is called StreamYard. You simply just click to create a broadcast, new broadcast, and you create a record only broadcast. Then when you look under videos, you have the ability to come here and download the video and simply download the video recording. And you can see that video is going to download there in the left-hand corner. Or you could also use the embed and share option, which gives you a share link or an embed code, and you simply just copy that code. Then you'd go back into ProductDyno and simply select create a product. And then when you come under create product, it's very simple to select create product. Then you have the option to use all of these different templates: a membership site, support articles, a video course, downloadable files, a full-blown online course, video training portal, lead magnet, API documentation. We'll simply start with a blank canvas and we'll call it Test WarriorPlus Bonus. We'll select continue. Here you're inside of the product where you can set up your domain and your access, as well as design the content or design the members area. There's one quick thing you need to do with integrations if you want to upload files. You need to come into integrations and you need to set a videos and files hosting. I've integrated Amazon S3 and I'm going to save the files to that account. This global integration is actually configured here under global integrations, but that is outside of the scope of this video. I just want to make you aware that this is actually integrated with Amazon S3 to actually store the files. Now we'll go under Content Designer, and here we'll add our first section. Here we're going to name that section. This is going to be the PDF, and then we're going to add another section, and this is simply going to be the video. And then once you add those sections, you click on the section where you want your PDF, and then you simply here drag over a file, and then you upload the PDF that we created inside of Google Docs. Click upload, browse, find that PDF, open that PDF, upload the file, and then you provide a link title. In this case, we'll say click here to download PDF. We'll select add to add that PDF. Then we'll simply go back here and navigate back to the home screen because now we want to embed our video. We'll click video section, and then we will drag over code. Of course, you have tons of other options to make this as nice as you want, but in this case, this is just a simple demo of ProductDyno. Of course, you can make this more complicated, but the simple idea here is we are simply embedding a video, and we embedded a PDF and a video. Of course, you can change all of this, and under settings, you can manage the way this looks. You have full access to the design. Under general, you actually have different themes, again, outside of the scope of this video, different navigation links, theme colors, footer links, header links, all kinds of great stuff there. But in this case, we're just going to exit and go back into the product. And under domain and access, I'm going to show you the different options here that if you wanted to give this away for free, you can simply toggle this to free access, click save, scroll down, and now you're going to have the ability to register an account. And this would be the option that you would want to use if you wanted to give this link away. You simply click on this eyeball. It opens up the register link, and then you can register for an account. And this is where you would actually collect email addresses and connect this to your email autoresponder so you can follow up with the people that have purchased the product through your affiliate link and got your bonus. And now you can add them as buyers to your email list. So let's go back to the product and change this to public access. And as you can see, when we save this, this is now going to be a link that requires no login. And when that product opens, you can see here, this is the basic template. Of course, you would add your logo, add other links for support to the header and to the footer. But you can see now that I can click here. I can go inside of the PDF. I can click here to download the PDF. That allows them to download the PDF. Or in this case, it just redirects it right here inside of the browser because I'm in Chrome, and Chrome understands the PDF, so it just opens up the PDF to read. And of course, that's the PDF that we created inside of Google Docs, and we simply just said File, Download as a PDF. Back inside of your product, click under Video, and then here the video would be embedded, and your bonus would be provided as a video to the person that purchased through your affiliate link. So you can see how quick and easy that was for these bonus ideas, a report and a video. And you could easily take this report and this video and just give done for you content rights or PLR rights to that content and make this an even more valuable bonus. And you saw how quick and easy that is to manage the product and all those settings here under products. But we also talked about collections. So let's take a quick look at collections. Again, a collection is a collection of products. We'll call this Test W Plus or WarriorPlus bonus collection. We'll create the collection, and here you're just going to simply add products. Here you're going to have a drop down of all of your products. Of course, here we had the Test WarriorPlus bonus, and you can just add that as a bonus right here. And all you need to do is select add. Then you can come under add product. In this case, we'll select a different product. And here we'll add the Newbie's Guide to Internet Marketing, no more 9 to 5. And we'll add that one as a bonus as well, which means that it is freely available to anyone that logs into this collection. And then here, we'll go ahead and we'll exit out of this. And then once you're out of the content designer, you're back inside of the domain and access. And this is the same as it was inside of the product, except for the domain and access collection has a different subdomain. So make sure that you set that as you want, because here you can actually set this to be, for example, Test W Plus bonus collection. And then you save that, and then that would be the URL. And you'll see these URLs have changed down here. And of course, change that to public access real quick and save. And of course, in that case, there'll be no login. Here is an error that I wanted to show you because I used a character, the plus character. It's not allowed. So simply just come back and change that, take out the plus, save that, go ahead, wait for that page to reload, and simply hit that eyeball again. Now you have the Test WarriorPlus bonus, as well as the Newbie Guide to Internet Marketing. Of course, if you click Start on that, that'll take you into our product with our PDF and our video. The home page will take you back to the collection home screen, where then people can access the Newbie's Guide to Internet Marketing. Of course, here, the Newbie's Guide to Internet Marketing, as well as the bonus. The format of the product in this case takes the shape or the form or the theme of the collection, but you can work all that out again. That's all under Manage Collection, and it's outside of the scope of this video, but you can set all that up under Content Designer. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to build collections of products, some bonus ideas, a report, a video, easily and quickly created using Google Docs or something like StreamYard. And then you can easily add more value by turning that into done for you content and giving away private label rights, meaning they can use this report and the video as their own content, which will allow you to make more sales because you'll have a higher perceived and real value to your bonus that you are adding as your buyer bonus URL inside your affiliate link for that offer on WarriorPlus, and delivering securely and professionally using the simple marketing tool ProductDyno. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments. And if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more helpful hints and tips and some simple marketing tools, go ahead and click on the video you see right now, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.